We always eat olives like this, but have you ever tried it like this? Hot and fresh from the pan with a special sauce. It's very delicious. You should try it. First, you have to remove the pit from each olive. Make sure you remove all of them. I'm using in this recipe 1 cup of olives. In a pan, put a good amount of olive oil and add 3 garlic cloves crushed and fry them until they take this color. Then add half a cup of walnuts and fry them with 1 tablespoon of red bell pepper paste. Now you can add the olives. Mix them well with the other ingredients. The heat should be low at this stage to avoid the bitterness in the olives. Add the olive oil as you need, half a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of dried mint. Mix all the ingredients very well, and at this stage you can taste and add any ingredient you want. Now, the final stage, you can add the pomegranate molasses, mix them for a few seconds and you can turn off the heat. You can serve it right away when it's hot, and also you can wait for it to be at room temperature and serve it. They're both delicious, but for me, when the olives are hot, the flavor is stronger. Eat it with your favorite type of bread and enjoy it with your family. It's very delicious, and as you can see, it's very easy to make. Make sure you dip the olive and the walnuts in the sauce. It's yummy. Try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.